Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, I am going to discuss how fold function works in PySpark. So what is the fold function? The fold function is a transformation function, and how this fold function generally works. So it first aggregates the elements in the each partition and then aggregates the result of all the partition to get the final result. Okay, this is very important statement. Let's understand it. So suppose there are 10 partition and each partition has suppose 20 elements, right? So and if we are going to apply any kind of aggregate function on that RDD, so what it will going to do? So suppose we are doing a sum aggregate. So it will going to sum the element which is present in the which are present in the partition, and it will going to result a one output. So 10 partition are there. Fold function will going to apply the sum partition on each and every element. So 10 partition, final result would be 10. One result for one partition. Once it has been done, then what the next step fold function does? It aggregates all the results which is present in the different partition, aggregate it. So here the aggregation is sum aggregation, which we are just discussing. So it will sum all the value which is present into the different partition and give the final result. So the result of fold is the RDD. And whenever we are going to apply any kind of transformation or any kind of aggregation with the help of the fold function, to initialize the accumulator, generally we use zero value, right? And mostly zero value we use for integer, and if we are doing that on the collection, we are using nil. So what I'm just doing, I'm just doing an exercise to show how fold function works in PySpark. So this is the data. This is nothing but a list which has data, right? So there is some typo. So this key will not be there. Only this value is there. 1, 2. This value would only present. This I think I have just missed to remove this part, but no worries. Let's understand that this key is not there. Only value part is there. And what the code I have written. This is the from the operator. I'm importing the add function with the help of a parallelize function. By passing this list element, I am creating this RDD. Once this RDD gets created, then I am just applying this fold function. Here what I am just doing, I am just doing the addition aggregation. So this value it will going to create, right? And if we just print this AP fold sum, then whatever the sum of the value it will going to print. Same goes for this max. Here it is a max function. We are going to max aggregate function we are going to apply on this fold function, right? AP, and whenever we are going to print it, it will going to give you what is the max value which is present in the fold. Okay, so now let's do this exercise in Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name the notebook as a fold function. To perform this exercise, we need data. So I have already created a list. Let's create the RDD from with the help of this list variable. Spark context dot parallelize, and in this we need to pass the object which has the data. So this list variable has the data. So first let's supply this variable as a parameter. So now this RDD has been created successfully. Now let's perform a aggregate operation on top of this RDD. Perform fold, and first we need to initialize. So this is a string, list or integer variable. Let's initialize with 0 and add. So we need to import the add function. So how we are going to import it? From operator import add. Now let's run it. Let's print this one. So this is the sum of the data which is present in this RDD, and how this RDD, and how we have created the RDD. We have created the RDD from this list variable. Now let's do one more transformation function, and that is max. Okay, I'm copying it. Max, and here we need to write max. Let's print 100 is the maximum number which is present in this RDD. And how the RDD is getting created? The RDD is getting created from this list variable. We can see this is the 100 which is maximum. So in this exercise, we have seen how we can perform a aggregation with the help of a fold function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.